Open Start and type msconfig. Open your system configuration. Open the Services tab. Locate the VGC service. Select your VGC service. Press Apply and then OK. Press Restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Valorant and Riot Games processes. Now close your Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close your Task Manager. Now your problem should be fixed.